7 top tips for how to stop feeling lonely. Connect with your purpose. Because when you have a clear sense of purpose, you're more likely to attract like-minded individuals and engage in activities that resonate with you. Cultivate meaningful relationships. Quality matters way more than quantity, so seek out individuals who genuinely support and uplift you, and build deeper connections with them. Expand your social circle. Join clubs, classes, or groups that align with your interests. Embrace vulnerability. Open up about your feelings and experiences to a selective few people who you can really trust. Because sharing your struggles can deepen relationships when it comes to building connections. Digital detox. Technology can keep us connected virtually. However, it's essential to balance online interactions with real connections. Set aside time to connect with friends or family, whether it's in person or through video calls. Self-care. Prioritize self-care activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Because when you take care of yourself, you'll be in a better emotional state to then connect with others. Engage in new experiences. Step outside your comfort zone to try new activities. This can help you meet new people, learn new things, and create opportunities for new and exciting social interactions.